Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Are you facing the Dragon Ball FighterZ error code 23? This error typically pops up when players launch the game, displaying the message "Game Client encountered an application error." As per our research, one of the main reasons behind the error is any pending updates for Windows, Game, Steam, or any of the necessary system programs. The first action to take is a simple one. Reboot your system. It's a classic solution for a reason. It often works. When your system restarts, it's time to check for updates. This isn't just for Dragon Ball FighterZ, but also for the Steam client itself. If there are any pending updates, install them, then launch your game again to see if the error has been resolved. If the error persists, it's time for the next step, checking your Windows firmware. If there are any pending updates for your Windows firmware, go ahead and install them. Once the updates are complete, it's time to check on Dragon Ball FighterZ again. But what if you still have the error? Well, there's another solution to try. The final frontier in this journey is to check the updates for Visual C++ and similar programs. Make sure they are up to date with their latest versions. After this, check for the error one more time. In summary, the Dragon Ball FighterZ error code 23 is usually caused by pending updates. Whether those updates are for the game itself, the Steam client, Windows firmware, or programs like Visual C++, they need to be installed. Reboot your system, check for updates, install any that you find, and then launch the game again. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.